Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Hi, I am Dikshant and I am a student. I study in class 7th and I am learning English language. And my hobbies are playing cricket and ride bicycle. I want to become businessman.
Okay, you want to become businessman. Very nice. So do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school daily.
Okay, why do you need to go to school? What do you think about this matter? Do we need to go to school?
Yes, I need to go to school.
Okay, why? Okay, and does your brother go to school?
Yes, my brother go to school.
Goes to school. Okay, so do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school daily.
Okay, which food do you like most?
Lady finger.
Sorry?
Lady finger.
Lady finger. Okay, very nice. So who cooks? कौन पकाता है?
Mother.
Okay, so have you ever visited somewhere? कहीं आप घूमे भी हो क्या?
No, sir.
You have not visited anywhere like Jaipur.
Jaipur.
You have visited Jaipur?
Yes, I visited.
So what is famous places in Jaipur? Can you explain some?
City Park here.
Okay, look into camera. Okay, City Park. You have visited City Park. So what did you do there? What did you see there? क्या देखा वहाँ पे आपने? Okay, Arctic.
Yes, sir.
What did you say? Arts.
Arts.
Okay, like agriculture, arts or natural things you have seen there, right? So did you take their ice cream or anything?
Yes, I like to ice cream.
No, I'm not asking you that. So when you went to City Park that time, you took anything? Ice cream. Okay. So which flavor ice cream did you take in that?
Vanilla flavor.
Okay, vanilla
Flavor.
flavor. Okay. And did you take any lunch break, dinner, anything there?
All.
What did you take? कुछ किया था क्या वहाँ पे? कुछ खाया था और?
Yes.
Okay.
Burger, ice cream,
I took burger and
ice cream
okay.
and water balls.
Water balls. Okay. So what did you tell your name?
My name is Dikshant Kumar Regar.
Okay. Your name is Dikshant.
Kumar Regar.
Okay. Dikshant Kumar. 1 second. Okay. Don't talk. Hello. Don't talk. Yes, Dikshant. So you are learning English language. So how are you feeling? Okay. How are you feeling?
Good.
What speak your full sentences like I'm feeling good, I feel good.
I feel good.
Okay, so do you talk in English?
Yes, I talk in English.
Okay, can you talk to anybody in English language?
I cannot anybody in English.
Why? Do you have any fear? कुछ डर लगता है आपको?
No, sir.
Then why don't you talk to anybody? Like somebody, if somebody doesn't speak in English, then how can I speak in English, right? Okay, so can you tell me your daily routine? Like what do you do
Yes,
in your
I
daily
can.
life? So please look into camera and speak.
I get up at 6 o'clock. I take on 1 glass of water and I go to bath and I go to temple. After that, I go to temple and after that, I come back from temple and after that, I pack my lunchbox and after that, I go to my school and all classes, study in all classes
Okay.
and after that, I take lunch and after that I go to my home and I change my dress and I go to my institute and I come back from my institute.
Okay, what is your coaching institute name? You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay, Faxon Institute.
Faxon.
Faxon. Okay, and what is your mentor name?
Mentor?
Like English language trainer. What is his name? Do you know? What?
Nijanda, sir.
Huh?
Nijanda.
You don't know? Okay. So they want to share anything that there are a lot of students are available, so they want to learn English language like you. आपके जैसे इंग्लिश वो सीखना चाहते हैं. So do you want to share some tips that they can learn English language easily? कौन है रे? क्यों बजा रहा है इसको? कौन है ये? Yes. So do you have any suggestion? I don't know. Do you have any suggestion?
Yeah. No,
So how can they learn English language? How can they learn English language? Do you have any suggestion? Okay,
Yes.
okay. So tell me, like, how can they learn? Suppose, like, this student joined first day. So how can he learn English language? So do you have any ideas that he can boost his fluency? Do you have any ideas like shortcut?
no, sir.
You don't have any idea. Okay, so how did you learn English language, Dikshan? कैसे सीखी आपने English? How did you learn? आपने कैसे सीखा?
हिंदी में बताता
No, no, no. Only in English language. How did you learn English language?
हूँ.
Actually, I joined English Institute, and I took all classes, and I practiced regularly. So that's why I learned English
Sir.
language. So everybody, if they want to learn English language, they can join and they can start their journey to improve English language. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
Right. So nice to talk to you, Dikshant. And I'm going to invite the next guys, and he will come and speak something about his himself. And okay, I'm going to invite Akash. Come on the stage, and okay, come on. Okay, take this mic and look into mic, and okay. Okay, speak. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, where are you from, Akash?
I'm from Bihar.
Okay, so do you live in Bihar or like anywhere as of now? Where are you? Where do you live?
I live in Jaipur. At
Okay,
Rampura.
okay. You live in Jaipur at Madarampura. Very nice. So how long have you been living in Jaipur? कितने सालों से आप जयपुर रह रहे हो?
I have been living 12 years.
Okay. So where were you born and brought up?
I was born in
I was
Bihar.
born and brought up in
Bihar.
Bihar. Very nice. So do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my family.
Okay, so how did you know about this coaching class? कैसे पता लगा इसका?
Mm,
Because you used to live in this area before this. आप इसी area में रह रहे थे.
yes, sir.
That's why you knew this thing, right? This coaching center. Very nice. So, like when you joined the first time this institute, that time you were not able to speak in English language, right? But now you are able to communicate to anyone in English language. So, how are you feeling? How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, you are feeling good. So, when your father came with you when you joined that time, so he was saying that my child used to speak in English. So that time and now this time, how are you feeling?
I'm good feeling.
I'm feeling very nice. Okay, so do you go to school daily, Akash?
I go to school daily.
Okay, and do you go to Hindi medium school or English medium school?
I go to English medium school.
Okay, what is your school name?
My school name is Takshila International Senior Secondary School.
Oh, very nice. So who is the director of your school?
Uh,
Okay, no issue. And do you like any teacher in your school?
I like lot of teachers
Okay, lot of teacher in your school.
in my school.
Okay, in your school. Very nice. So, like after completing your graduation, what would you like to do?
I would like to business.
Do the business. Okay, which kind of type business do you have any idea as of now?
Uh, I want to run fabric business.
Okay, you want to run fabric business. So, do you have any idea? As of now, you don't
I
have
don't
any
have-
idea.
I don't
But before learning this language, this business, you will learn all things like what is the width of fabric, what is the type of fabric. Like there are lot of fabrics are available in market like Georgette, cotton, satin, and lot of Maheshwari. So there are lot of type of fabrics are available. So do you want to start your business in India or like you want to do the business in all over India or all over the world?
I want to do all of well.
Okay, you want to do your business in all over. Very nice. So in this field, like your father do, like your father does this kind of type business, fabric business. Yes. My father does this business.
does this.
Okay, so you want to help with your father. Very nice. So Akash, actually we are here. Actually you are here, and a lot of students are here to improve their English language. So can you share some tips that they can learn English language easily? So do you have any shortcut that they can learn English language?
First of all, you should
talk.
read. You should read newspaper
Okay.
and watch English postcard.
Podcast. Okay.
Podcast mm, and you should
करंट आ रहा होगा कॉपी में, तो है भगा दूंगा भी यार। कॉपी छूने में क्या हो गए थे?
and you should try to speak in English. You should try to speak in English
Okay. Every day.
every day.
Like how much time should we invest to improve English language? Like after okay, do we need to coaching classes, or without getting coaching classes can we learn English language?
I can't learn English.
We can't learn English language. Okay. So how did you learn English language?
I learn English language
I learned English language.
in Faxon Studio.
Okay, I learned English language from Faxon Institute.
From Faxon Studio.
Okay, who is the director of Faxon Institute?
Mr. Sevan Kumar Mehra.
Mehra. Very nice. So, do you have any idea that you want to share, like related to business or anything? You don't have.
I
Okay.
don't have.
So nice to talk to you, Akash, and we will meet again on this platform. And thank you very much. And I'm going to invite Mr. Dhruv, and he will tell you something. And okay, Dhruv, come and sit on the chair and look into camera and speak something. Yes, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Good evening.
My name
Very good evening. Okay, what's your name?
my name is Dhruv Bagal.
Okay, Dhruv Bagal. What do you do, Dhruv?
I am a student.
Okay, you are a student. So in which class do you study? Look
I
into
study in
camera.
7th class.
You studies in 7th class. Okay. So how is going on your studies? पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है आपकी?
I'm very good. Very good.
Your studies going very well. Yes. So Dhruv, what did you say your name? Dhruv.
My name is
But you speak, low. You have to speak high. तेज बोला करो थोड़ा, ठीक है? So what is your dream? What do you want to become in your life? Keep.
I like physical.
I want to become cricketer. You want to become cricketer. Very nice. So, and in your family, like anybody is player? कोई है आपके परिवार में से player?
My brother is cricketer.
Okay, your brother is player. Your brother is cricketer. Okay. So how many tournaments does he? How many tournaments did he play?
Yes.
He played
He played
2-3 tournaments. 2-3 or so many tournaments?
two.
2 tournaments. Okay. So did he achieve any medal?
Yes.
He achieved. He achieved 2 trophies. Okay. So when he got, first time, first trophy, though, that time, how was your reaction? You and your family. कैसा reaction था जब वो first trophy लेके आए?
अच्छा ही था.
It was good reaction from my family, and it's also my reaction was good. Okay, so do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school.
Okay, and do you have any hobbies that you want to share?
My hobby is play cricket.
Your hobby is playing cricket, so that's why you want to become. Okay, and what is your favorite player?
My favorite player Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Okay, and do you know the name of his wife?
Oh,
His
Anushka
name,
Sharma.
her name is Anushka Sharma. So who is she? कौन है वो? Is she player or is she actress? She is actress. Actress है ना Anushka Sharma. Okay, so do you like Anushka Sharma? You don't like?
No.
Okay, because she is celebrity. Celebrity को बोलते हैं ना अपन के like करते हैं नहीं करते हैं. So why do you smile? ऐसा क्यों? Why? Why is it happening?
No.
अरे like करते हो जब भी तो मूवी देखते हो ना.
Yes.
Yeah. Why are you fearing? So, and why do you want to improve your English language?
Why?
You want to become a cricketer. That's why you want to learn English language. And in which class do you study?
Oh, where?
No, you. In which class do you study?
7th class. I study class 7.
You study in 7th class. Very nice. Okay, so do you study in English medium or Hindi medium school?
Hindi medium.
Hindi medium. So, like, is there anybody speaking Hindi in your school, in your class,
Yes.
in
Yes,
your
sir.
in your
Hindi
class?
In our class,
Huh.
Hindi.
No, Hindi. But anybody speaks in Hindi or only English?
Hindi and English.
Okay, they speak.
Yes.
No. In your school, anybody? No, I'm not talking about your school. I'm talking about your class. So, is there anybody speaking English?
Yes, class in Hindi and
In my class, nobody speak in
Yes.
English language, right? So nice to talk to you, Dhruv, and I'm going to invite next one, and Nidhi Kumari, and come and speak something about yourself. Okay, come. Okay, come on the sit on the chair, and okay, good evening.
Very good evening.
Okay, speak loud. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Okay, look into camera. How are you, Nidhi?
I am good.
You are okay? Very nice. So, what do you do, Nidhi?
I am a student.
Okay, you are a student. So, in which class do you study?
In which class?
I study in 7th class. You study in 7th class. Okay. So, do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school daily.
Very nice. So, what is your dream, Nidhi? Do you want to become something different, or you want to become only housewife? क्या ड्रीम है आपका? केवल घर का झाड़ू पोछा ही करना है या कुछ ड्रीम है? Do you have any dream?
Yes, I do.
You have dream. Okay, how many dreams do you have? कितने ड्रीम है आपके? Like क्या क्या सोचा है? How many like what dreams do you have? क्या क्या ड्रीम है आपके? क्या बनना चाहते हो?
Yes.
Actress. Very nice.
IPS.
Congratulations. So which actress do you like most? Like Kajol, Katrina. Which actress do you like most? कौन सी एक्ट्रेस? शिल्पा शेट्टी. Okay, very nice. And do you know her sister name?
My sister name is.
No. I'm not asking about your sister name. I'm asking about Shilpa Shetty's sister name. Her sister name is Susmita Shetty. Yes. And do you know the name of Shilpa Shetty's husband? Raj Kundra, right? So what is he? क्या है वो? Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor or like what? He is a businessman, I think. He is a businessman. Raj Kundra is a businessman. So do you like to take ice cream or kachori? Which thing do you like most?
Yes, I like to take ice cream.
Okay, both kachori and ice cream दोनों पसंद है. Okay. So if I give you a chance to take ice cream in 1 hour, so how many ice cream can you take? एक घंटे में कितने ice cream खा सकते हो आप? Okay, only one ice cream. But if I get chance to ask that he can take 50 ice creams in 1 hour, right? Yes, he's saying that yes, I can take 50 ice creams in 1 hour. Very nice. So Nidhi, does speak in English in your family? कोई आपके परिवार में इंग्लिश बोलता है? Okay, who speaks? कौन बोलता है?
My sister.
Okay, तो क्या बोलेंगे? My sister speaks in English language. Very nice. So what does she do? क्या करते हैं वो? Okay, he does do job. Very nice. So how did you know about this institute? इस institute का पता कैसे लगा आपको? By your friend, by your brother, by your sister?
Friend.
Okay, by your friend. So before coming here, did you used to speak in English? आप यहाँ पे आने से पहले थोड़ा बहुत आप बोलते थे क्या इंग्लिश? Okay. Before coming here, did you know how to read English book? यहाँ पे आने से पहले आप इंग्लिश की बुक जानते थे क्या पढ़ना? Okay, but now you can read English book. आप पढ़ सकते हो आप? Okay. बोलेंगे ना speak loud. You can speak. You can read English book.
Yes, I read.
Yes, you can read. Very nice. So now you can you speak little bit English? थोड़ा बहुत बोल सकते हो आप? थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो आप?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can speak little bit. Okay. So why are you learning English language, Nidhi? What is your why are you learning English language? You told that I want to become actress, right? You want to become actress or IPS? IPS. Oh, okay. But I told lie things. Okay. So you want to become IPS. So now what do you think that is it easy to become IPS officer? क्या लगता है आपको easy है ये IPS बनना?
No, sir.
It is not easy, but if you get chance to study more and more, and you would like to more studies, right? And you will do that. You want to prove yourself that Nidhi can do something different, right? So Nidhi, you are speaking a little bit, but you are speaking English but not confidence. So you have to gain confidence, and you are speaking so English. So thank you very much. We will meet on this platform again, and nice to meet you. And I'm going to invite next. No, Chitransh, come on the stage and speak some. Okay, give her side. Come. Chitransh, come. Okay, take this mic and have a seat. Yes. Okay, greeting. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also good. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, Chitransh. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good also. And good evening very much.
Good evening.
Good evening. And do you go to school, Chitransh?
Yes, I go to school.
Okay, you go to school. So, do you go to school daily?
No, I don't go to school every day.
Okay, you don't go to school daily, but you go to school. Okay, what is your dream? What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become businessman.
Oh, you want to become businessman. Okay, but after suppose you are a good businessman now, then what will you do? क्या करोगे आप जब अगर मान लो आप अभी सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन हो अभी नाउ? ओके, सो व्हाट विल यू डू? क्या करोगे आप? व्हाट विल यू डू? क्या करोगे?
सोचा नहीं है.
ओके, यू सोचा नहीं है तो क्या बोलेंगे? आई हैव नॉट थॉट एनीथिंग. ओके, सो डू लाइक टू टेक रसमलाई?
I like to take rosmalai.
ओके, यू लाइक टू टेक रसमलाई. उधर देखना है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है इधर. ओके, एंड डिड यू गो टू स्कूल यस्टरडे?
No, I did not go to school.
ओके, इन विच क्लास डू यू स्टडी? In which class do you study?
I study in 6th class.
You